Hello, hello! Today we are going to make a duck. Let's see what do we have in our book. We see this beautiful duck right here. Let's take our pencil and start making these steps one by one. Here we are going to make a circle. Then let's make this curve and then a beautiful oval right here in sleeping line. After that, make this extended part of the tail and continue making one more of them. Join this to the circle and then make the legs. After which, you can start making the beak. Once you're sure of what you're supposed to make, you can take your pencil and start making it. Go very slow while making it, and once you're sure of what you're making, you can make it a little darker. Let's do this slowly and nicely. Let's erase this part and then make this fair. Go very slow while making the feathers and try and not make a mistake. Make the legs which are overlapping each other. And once we are done doing the entire drawing, we need to start sketching this. Well, for sketching, we will require a black sketch pen. Trace it right on top of the pencil marks and go very slow while tracing this. Once we are done with that, let's make the legs nicely. And complete the entire drawing in a similar way. Once we are done with that, let's erase all the pencil marks we see. And after that, it's time for us to color this. This is my favorite part. What about you? Take an olive green and do it here, and after that let's take a dark green and color right here. The next thing we do is take the olive green and start coloring the entire face of our duck. Go slow while doing this. The next thing to do is do yellow color in the beak. After that, let's do red color in the legs. And then let's go ahead with this beautiful light brown color over here. It looks a little bit like ochre, isn't it? Do not put a lot of pressure while coloring this. And now let's take dark brown color and start putting pressure in order to get a darker shade first and then a lighter shade. Continue coloring this color in the feather as well. After that, let's take dark brown color and do this part. The next thing we can do is take black color and do this. Black is a very dark color, hence you have to do that usually in the end. Let's take a very light skin color and do this part. Color very lightly over here and try coloring only in one direction. Next is we take blue color and do this part. And finally, let's take grey color or silver color for this part. And look, our duck is ready.